Out, Logan? Huh? You're chilling out? Being a little baby? In your little radio flyer wagon with the monster-sized tires?
Hey guys, look it!
Yeah? Tell me more. Having fun? Alright, we got the stroller cam going on. Whatever Logan sees, you guys see. Is it like funny looking?
It's funny because the top of his head shows. You just see curl.
Hey Logan. Look. Hey. Hey. Watch hockey. Oh, it's a commercial. That's why I stopped watching. Logan spilled all his drink, and now we got this bathroom side right next to Harrison. Got back from Ale House. We're doing a little work in my brother's car. We just put this brand new black fin piece. Logan has my computer. Logan has my computer.
How do you do that?
I don't know. We just put this toe strap on here. We're putting black reflectors. Get it? Black reflectors. We took out these ugly orange ones. Now we're putting black ones. This is what the original side piece looked like right here. Focus, there. We also put this over here. So we're almost done. You got anything to say, Harrison? Oh, you gotta wipe it before. Is that your car, buddy? Here. Oh, he wants to get out.
Where's the rag?
Over there. You wanna get out? Alright, here, I'll get you out. Close this off. Logan's playing a little golf. We'll see that sticker you're putting on.
Oh, shit.
As you know, it's on the crease of the bumper. See? There you go. I would have put it upside down.
To go like that?
No, put it straight. Hit it, Logan, hit it. Oh! He didn't just hit your car. Get it, get it, get it. Here, I'll get it. Here, it's right here. We got a little mess going on over here. Get Harrison, get Harrison.
Get me.
I don't understand what she was doing. I said get Harrison, not get him Harrison.
Oh, look, that looks pretty badass.
Let me see. Did you do it right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Cool. I like it. I like it. It did not look like the sticker. Harrison,
What?
you put the line, see? Right here?
What line?
See?
What is that?
That's, you know, that's supposed to come off. It just goes around the sticker. Where's the sticker? I'll show you. Give me the sticker. You know what? Pick up that light. No, pick it.
So what are you talking about?
Make it taller. See this little piece right here? This little strip?
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to take it off.
Why?
I don't know. This sticker comes with a border sometimes. Don't let him touch it. He's gonna touch it. He's gonna touch it.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, it looks cool.
You stop running around. Stop it. Hey, oh my god. Okay.
Good boy. Got my little chair. I'm going. I'm going. See how quick that was. See that?
Yeah.
2 seconds. Flat.
Not so powerful.
Sawdust, baby! Sawdust! What did he eat?
What?
Oh, I thought he ate something. Sawdust, baby! Sawdust, baby! Sawdust, baby!